Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef bone broth. To begin, selecting the right bones is crucial for a flavorful and nutritious broth. Aim for a variety, including marrow bones for richness and knuckle bones for gelatin. You'll also need common vegetables like carrots, onions, and celery, plus a splash of apple cider vinegar. This vinegar helps draw out beneficial minerals from the bones during the long simmering process, enhancing the broth's nutritional value. Next, we'll roast the bones to develop a deeper, richer flavor. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread your beef bones on a baking sheet and roast them for about 30 to 45 minutes until they are nicely browned. For the last 20 minutes of roasting, add your chopped carrots, onions, and celery to the pan. This step caramelizes the vegetables, adding a wonderful sweetness and complexity to your broth. Now it's time for the slow simmer, where all the magic happens. Transfer your roasted bones and vegetables into a large stock pot. Cover everything with cold water, ensuring the bones are fully submerged by at least 1 inch. Add about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps extract more nutrients. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for 12 to 24 hours, skimming any foam or impurities that rise to the surface during the first few hours. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, let it cool slightly before straining it through a fine mesh sieve. Discard all the solids, leaving you with a clear, golden liquid. For easier fat removal, refrigerate the broth overnight. The fat will solidify on top, making it simple to skim off. Your homemade beef bone broth can be stored in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days, or frozen in airtight containers for up to 6 months for longer enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.